Welcome back and sorry for the interruption. Now everything should be ready again. So just let me open the render again. And what happens here is that we are not having the ground and the sky. So for that, we're going to make it very easily. But that is working really good. We can move around the panoramas. Okay. So just let me explain you also something a little bit which have to do with KRPano. So when we render with 3D model depth map render mode, it just shows what have been modeled. But if you turn to depth map mode, now you see that we don't have to make that because it's already there. But as you can see, the quality is not as good as it should be. So yeah, the preferred mode is going to be using the 3D model. Okay, so how do we solve that very easily? Just go and check the model. We can see we have those 4 vertices here, and we could just go ahead and make a really big plane on the ground. Okay, so now we have an issue, but I'm going to use it in order to explain you something. What happens here is that as we are not seeing those faces anymore, the software is not showing that here, but we can go to view and force it to view all model geometry, and that will recharge the geometry and will hopefully show us all the faces even they are not visible from our point of view. So now we are ready to create that big plane that will be our ground. What happens with the sky? We have a tool here that let us add sky, so that even being in 3D model depth map render mode will show us the panorama's background, and therefore we will have the background. I can just say that we can hide everything, so we can travel from pano to pano more quickly because it don't need to load anything, just the pano itself. Okay, so it seems that we have pressed add sky everywhere. We save the project, we say that we want to view everything again. We can turn off view all geometry model. Now we see that because we made the big ground, and we render again with the same settings. Render now. It's ready. So we just check the project, and now, as you can see, even being in 3D model mode, we have everything correctly set, and we can fully navigate everywhere. Okay, so that project should be ready now. and I hope you have learned some of the main advanced issues here. I will leave you that project in order that you can download it and you can try to recreate. So here you have a new challenge, and we'll see you in another lesson. Thank you, bye.